if you don't have internet at your home or want to connect your phone internet to the router, then watch this video carefully. In this video, I will show you how to do it. Let's start. First of all, turn on your mobile internet and go to setting option. Then go to personal Wi-Fi hotspot option. Enable personal Wi-Fi hotspot. Type a unique password and click save. Turn on personal Wi-Fi option. Now connect with your Wi-Fi router and open a browser. Type IP address of your router and go to router dashboard panel. You can see here, this is my router dashboard panel. Click on internet setting option and just select universal repeater. Now click on your hotspot Wi-Fi and type your hotspot Wi-Fi password here and click connect option. Router will reboot. After reboot, your phone internet connect with your router. You can see here, phone internet connect with my router. It works. In this way, you can connect your phone internet with your Wi-Fi router. Thanks for watching this video.